Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're back at the American Radio History website, and they've added a lot of features to this besides all the magazines. They have a lot of search options, so you can search for whatever you want to search for, radio, whatever. And up here, here's the kind of the new things and things you should look at. And here is search whole site. Search the entire site, every magazine they got. So let's try this. So let's search for, and I'm going to put in Collins 75A-4, which is the radio. It's about 3 feet from me. It weighs about 50 pounds. And I'm going to search on that. So let's select that. And then I have selected all, which means it's going to take a little while to do the search. And you could come down here and manually select just certain magazines you wanted to search through. But I'm going to select all. I'm going to go for it. And we're going to say results 10 per page. I'll leave it that. And I'll say submit. Now, bear in mind, it's searching every magazine on this website. That's my understanding. So it may take a while. I've done this a couple of times already, so it doesn't really take that long. It's amazing that it got it done so soon. And so you just sit here and wait and try to babble on while it's searching. There we go, and it's done. And then you have to go down to the bottom where it has the results. There's the results. It has 6 pages of results. And these are all the magazines it's found with that mentioned, Collins and 75A-4. So let's try this one here. This is the shortwave magazine out of Europe, and this is May 1971. Boy, that is an old radio. And somewhere on this page, and it doesn't highlight what it found, unfortunately. So let me zoom in here. And it might be in this ad right here. Let's see. No, I don't see anything there. Oh, this is for sale stuff. So it's probably over here someplace. Again, keep in mind this is in England, I guess. This is where his magazine is. And I don't see it offhand. Let's now this viewer that's built into or added on to Chrome doesn't have a search engine. So what I can do is I can download this file to my computer, and then I could use a PDF viewer with a search capability and search for where that is mentioned. Here's the Collins. There's a couple. Oh, there it is, right there. 75A4. So someone has, back in 1971, a Collins 75A-4 for sale. So we can close this out, and we could go back and look at some of these other ones. Let's see what other magazine we have besides SWN. Let's go to page 4. And it's taking my browser a little while to get to that page. Okay, browser, wake up. Okay, come on. I'll do next. Try that. Okay, I'm just having a problem with my browser being so slow. But anyway, you see that it has found, let's see, where does it say? It says 6 pages. I thought somewhere it says the number of hits it found. 53, there it is. It found 53 places where it found Collins 75A-4. So I was pretty specific about that particular model number. Okay, there we go. Boy. Okay, let's see. All these are SMWs, shortwave magazine. Let's see. In mint condition, there's another for sale. In mint condition, Collins 4 and the Collins 75A4. So there's another ad in this. That's why I was trying to get away from this magazine, because these are mostly ads. Let's try page 6, the last page. See if it'll get there in the next half hour. And then there's other things you can do with the search results. Okay, that got to the last page, and let me see what magazines it has on the last. There's still SWMs. So it didn't. This looks like an ad here. This one is for sale again, for sale again. So I didn't really find on that particular radio much information about the radio itself using this search. Like I say, there's many other ways to do searches. I could do another one, but with my web browser working so slow, I don't want to do that. But let me go back to the home page. And here under what's new, they tell you all the things that have taken place, things where they've added a new magazine or issue of a magazine, where they made corrections. And this gives you an idea of how active they are. Like here's added the 1975, 76, and 1976, 77 yearbook issues and the 1985 Holiday Project issue of Electronics Australia. I never heard of that. Let me see. No, I was going to say, yeah, let me see if I can click. There we go. So it takes me to what they've done. Now I notice that there's a search engine here to search just within this magazine. And note they don't have too many of them here. They got some down here. Oh, they got 2,000. So this is Electronics Australia. Now, what Electronics Australia would have in it, I'm not sure. I'm trying to think of something that I could search on in there. I don't want to do something generic, because then I'd end up with a lot of results. Anyway, you see what I mean? There's a ton of ways of accessing what's in these magazines. So check it out. Again, this is, let me go back to the homepage. This is AmericanRadioHistory.com. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. The weather in Florida this coming week is going to be fabulous. I should be able to get outside and do some antenna work and shoot some videos on my antenna experimentation. Bye-bye.